All right, Mr. Hauger here with tips on how to build a professional resume for the first time in about. So I'm showing you my resume. Obviously, a few things have changed, but there are a few things that I want to design a resume for. A simple page experience to get a summary of my experience, which is to me the most important section, my education and skills and awards, where you might substitute any lapses in education or experience. I've tried to write it as simple as possible. You try to make sure you proofread and eliminated any errors as you go along. You want to have the cities and the times that you were present at these places and experiences, and also consider that some companies which you will apply for will have an automatic filter that are looking for certain keywords. So if you really want to increase the chances of getting called for a job, use some of the keywords that are in the job description itself and rework some of your bullet points to include those terminologies and make sure they're in the correct form and the correct tense and they all agree with each other. So some of the bullet points are the simple things that you would expect, like teaching and managing classrooms and students, but I've also included some extracurriculars like the book I wrote, A Broadcaster Secrets to Teaching, how I've created and edited videos, because that's a skill that would apply to many different jobs besides teaching, any recognition or public speaking that you've done, because that's valuable in so many different careers and opportunities, and also that I've created 450 unique opportunities and resources which could be valuable and beneficial to many different places. If you're applying for a job in customer service, then you might want to orient your resume to just that kind of work experience that you're going to be doing. Again, match it to the job you're looking for. Don't match it to what you think perhaps your best story is or your best experience or your favorite job, but what is most likely to be read by a hiring manager to get you that interview so you can impress them in person. Mine has a wide variety of different things. So I have entertainment here with NBA 2K. And then again, I mentioned different things that I hadn't mentioned before to be a wide array of experiences that would net and match with a large variety of experience seekers. So script writing, in-game dialogue, art, color commentary. And so that's what I try to do with that one. The third one is the least relevant, so I kept it short. The fourth one, though, I did work with a lot of professionals in a lot of different communities, including social media. That's definitely wants to be a part of your resume somewhere. For Salvation Army, that's when I bring in money and revenue, $10 million annually from in-kind donations. Again, right at the top. Most pertinent, most impactful stuff at the top, less important stuff either at the bottom or don't include it at all. Education, bachelor's and master's degree, and then skills and experience. Here's where you can put all the things that you do, the hobbies, the volunteering, anything you've done in the community. And again, match it to the job you want, especially if it's a position you're really, really interested in getting. Every line should convince a hiring manager to bring you in, that you need to be talked to about the position that is posted. So build yourself strong, make it accurate, make it provable, and then have a second page that's your references from people who can speak, and tell your references that you put them down so they can start thinking about things to mention and they're not blindsided or can't remember who you are. Simple, one page, watch your grammar, proofread, double check, and update it every couple of months when you accomplish something else so it's always up to date and current. All right, let's talk more about it, and I look forward to seeing your resumes in class or in your professional career. I hope this is helpful, and thank you so much for watching.